Hello everyone, welcome to another beautiful video and welcome to Ojuolape space. Today I'm bringing to you what you need as a woman. You'll be so surprised. Yes, as my market vlog, I stumbled into this perfect market and I felt, wow, I shouldn't be the only person that should enjoy, that should benefit from this that is trending now. And if you really don't want side chick to take hold of your home, then you need to know what I want to talk about. Is for every woman. I need it, you need it as a woman. And what am I talking about today? I'm talking about female sweetener. This sweetener is for our honey pot. Yes, I call it honey pot. You should decode, you understand now. It's for our honey pot and you need it so that side chicks will not take your husband. And actually for this sweetener for our vagina, it is very good if you're using it. This is a method. If your husband is this akagon, doesn't want to release money to you, once you use this sweetener, you will come back and testify. I know you will testify and tell me why it works. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about female sweetener. Come along with me. I have a female sweetener. Is organic female sweetener produced from natural herbs. So this is no matter if you're taking something that is inorganic, not good for your body, but this is a perfect one made from herbs, and those ingredients we add to our food. But this one is basically they are being made in a concentrated form that will enhance a woman to be aroused, to do that jangolova in the bedroom. So let's get what it's all about. It's the beautiful damsel behind this great sweetener for women. You could imagine the magic that she's performing here in Ibadan. In fact, give her a goodies, I beg. If you know, help me give her 3 bossa, because when I saw what she's doing, I was impressed. We need to make our home that sweet place for our men, so that they will not, even when they are being stressed with Nigerian situation, when things are not going, when they are feeling headache, once they enter this place and they feel this sweetness, man, all their problem with what it will vanish. So she's behind the making of this sweetener. So she has different type of female sweetener. So what are the types of sweeteners you have here?
Okay, actually I have the syrup base, the pastries, and the liquid in forms. So we have different type of sweetener. We have the stick sweetener, we have the lubricants, and we have the one you can mix with milk or yogurt. Normally the one you can mix with milk or yogurt, those ones do the work from internally, while the lubricants have externally. So it's my different, you know, we have different clients. Some clients can be like, I want the outside one just to use it for some minutes, and while the other one I'll be taking it maybe like 15 minutes, it can be working gradually. But you know, we have different type of body system. We have quads and we have normal body, that once they use little, just like the example of gorontula, some people can take 1 piece of gorontula, while some can take 2 pieces of gorontula, and it works often in different places.
Now, sorry, the gorontula she's talking about, this is it. I really want you to see the gorontula. This is gorontula.
This is the gorontula sage.
Okay.
So you can use
this is for what, madam?
Sweetener. It serves as sweetener, natural sweetener.
Sweeteners for women.
For women.
Please, if you want your husband to enjoy you, if you don't want your husband to have side chicks, please, this gorontula is very good and it's very easy to use. What other type do you have, ma'am?
We also have this gorontula in syrup. In case we also have it in syrup, in syrup form, in case you don't want it in the solid form like that. So this is syrup form of gorontula.
Okay, this gorontula, this is the
syrup.
The syrup. Okay.
So these are sweeteners too. This is the pastry form of sweetener.
Can we see it inside? Wow.
This sweetener.
And you lick it?
Yes, you lick it. You heat up.
Okay.
So this sweetener too. So this
another sweetener. Do you lick this or you
lick this
in your mouth?
Yes.
Intake.
These are the simple ones you can use. This is also most common. You lick it like a sweet. This is
how many? Okay.
2, 3. That's the sequence of usage. Why this one you insert? It's also a sweetener.
This is sweetener, but
Yes.
you insert this one.
Insert this one.
Okay.
Why these are the ones that you drop inside the soft drink.
Like I was so surprised. Let's see how it looks like.
Wow.
So this is it. They even wrote okay, so you just add this to your drink, soft drink,
so
and no matter how hard your body is,
it makes the system to
relax your system, and you feel this sensation of wanting to what? Enjoy.
This also is very sweet now too.
Do you lick this?
Yes, you also chew it in the mouth.
Okay.
So these also the ones you also choose this. That's why I said we have.
Okay, this is another type of sweetener. Okay.
So we have the powder, this lubricant, normal.
Okay, lubricant.
We have a sweetener too. When the jar spot is dry, it makes it difficult to have form. Okay. So this is better sweetener for you.
What do you call this one?
It's a lubricant.
Okay.
Water base. So these are the type too. So for this one, this powder base that you can easily add to milk. It's also a sweetener. So you can see me licking it. I lick it there.
I think I have to lick it too.
It's natural.
It tastes sweet.
It's very sweet.
So this is sweetener. Don't ask me what happened later.
Like this one is also a sweetener.
This is another sweetener.
Very sweetener. So we have like up to like 10-15 sweeteners. So we combine depending on the nature of the bottle.
Now what we want to do now, the prices of these sweeteners, we need to have the prices. Now if you want to get the prices, how are you selling this organic Abby? This sweetener, let me see.
Okay, like that sweetener we sell from.
So this sweeteners business, is it really so lucrative? Are women really asking for it?
Actually, it's very lucrative, especially if you know how to do more marketing, and you can easily connect with one. You are the kind of person that is so jovial, and you can read along the way. So that because you know, lots of people are more conscious to us than any other thing. So that you don't just give any people maybe harmful substances. We need to be careful. If you have to be someone that is carefree, and you have to be like having human conscious at times, especially. So it's very lucrative once you are the type that can go a long way like that. And
to start this sweetener business, like how much do you need?
For sweetener business, from 20,000 to 50,000. It depends on how you want it to be. So occupied.
It depends on how buoyant you have financially.
Yes. It really depends on your pocket.
Now I want to ask, this sweetener business, for these sweeteners, I want to ask, what type of ingredient do you use in making them, or do you buy them like this, or you make them yourself?
So most that I do make myself, I use dates, gorontula and the likes. You know, we have different organic herbs that you can use in combinations. Those are the ones we use in production, and it's very safe to use. They are made naturally.
Okay, so you use different types of ingredients. Now I want to ask, are you all these sweeteners you've shown us, are we, as a woman, maybe I really want to get a roast today and I want my husband to enjoy me in this bedroom jangolova, am I taking everything, or I don't know, because you have number of them you are showing now?
Okay, actually it depends on the nature of the body. Okay, some people use ones, they are okay. Some people we need to if their body are for us, we need to combine 2 or 3 or 4 ingredients for them, and it will be okay for them. So we don't need to be bombard the body with too much, so that the libido will not be too high. At least moderate libido is okay.
So how do you measure the amount of sweetener for a woman to take?
We know if they are, is either we, according to, once they purchase, we tell them that this is the number of spoons to use per time. Okay. So once I tested and I know the nature of their body, I'll be like, okay, use 1. Instead of other using half spoon, they will use 1 double dose. Since they are safe and they are naturally made herbals that has no side effects, so they can easily go a long way with that so that I can easily know how to put in between.
Okay. Sorry. So this is scorpion.
Right. This one you can just take it in raw form like this. A cup you can take, but this we have two different quality for this. Actually, this most quality we sell it 700. We sell the other one 500 naira.
Okay. Now, this one.
Wow. This one is powder based. You take it to milk, but once you really surprised me about this. Some people take it raw and it's work for them perfectly.
But some you can take it with milk.
You can take it with milk because some people are allergic to milk.
Okay.
So they can easily take it raw.
Milk, and the other time you said milk or yogurt.
Yogurt, but provided milk is okay.
Okay.
But
so if you are taking it with milk, you mix them together.
Yes.
And the measurement when they buy, you tell them how to make the mixture. That's good.
Because we have as low as 500 from here.
Okay.
But the whole container now is 5,000 naira.
Okay. Now this lubricant is how much?
You can just apply it to the V area, the vagina.
You just apply to the vagina, and that's
that
all.
one, when you feel dry, too much dry.
So that it won't be too dry.
Exactly. So that you'll be able to enjoy the sex
and this is our handmade lubricant. This lubricant is handmade. And how much is this?
This one is just 1,000 naira, and we get the other one because this original. We don't sell on the adulterated ones in this our store.
That's good. So you have nice products here. Yep. Okay.
Okay, like this one, like this sweetener we have from 500 to 1,000, 2,000 and above.
It has two colors.
Yes. The sweetener, so to make it to be fancy, and the ingredients we use in productions, you know, it should be milky.
So how much is this one now?
This one is just 500 naira.
500 naira. Wow. How much is this one?
This one is 1,000 naira.
Like this?
Yes.
So for how long will I take this?
You can take it more than 5 times, depending on how you are using it.
And it doesn't get expired?
It doesn't get expired, but you have to cover it and make sure it is in tie-free container. Not that you just expose it and the hands will have got inside.
Okay. And what about this?
We have 500 naira.
I think I need to taste this. So
yes, it's very sweet.
So how much is this pack?
500 naira. Too cheap.
500 naira. What about this?
We have 1K. And this one, if you taste it, the taste is more. Let me open it for you so that you can see. Wow. Just wow. So in fact, if you taste more from it,
I want to taste from it too. Can you see?
And then you finish with that.
It's like milk, coconut.
Exactly.
It's so sweet.
It's sweet.
I can finish this in a day.
If you finish it in a day, that's when the action.
Oh, it's going to be real action.
So for
this one,
like this one is pastry.
It's what?
It's pastry in nature. So this is 1,000.
This is pastry in nature.
Yeah.
And this is
1,000. You can, but you don't finish it in a day because if you finish it, I'm not there. How it will work?
It's going to work perfectly.
Exactly. You can see the one you just lick now.
I love the one I've just licked. Wow, so sweet. So this is the gorontula syrup. Wow. So what do I do to this?
Gorontula syrup, you just take a spoon for that side
and lick it.
We have the smaller size, which is 500 naira.
How much is this?
That one is 1,000 naira.
This is 1,000. Wow. And this one is
500 naira.
This one is 500 naira. Wow. What about this? You are inserting
tonto sugar. Tonto sugar.
This is tonto sugar. So this tonto sugar,
you make the jazz pods to sweet.
Hey, it's going to make it so sweet.
So this one, actually we make it into different portions. It's not a must that you buy a whole
bottle like this. So
yes, we have the bottle sizes of 500, 1,000, 2,000. It depends on how you want it, but they can be in few package with others.
Okay. And I hope you really understand all she has said. Now I want to ask our contact address in case you want to get in touch with her. Actually, this is my market vlog. I stumbled on her shop and I decided to, like, wow, this is what you're selling. I want you guys to know what is happening out there. She did not pay me. This is not a paid advert. No, she did not sponsor this video, please. But I just want to know that, okay, we all need to enjoy this, our inner room and activity, so I have to bring this to your notice. So can you give us your contact number?
Okay. In case you want to contact, my contact is 08133354055.
It's too fast though, so that we can pick it.
08133354055.
Okay,
I'm in Ibadan here.
so we say thank you so much. So if you want to buy this sweetener, you will get in touch with this number. I'm going to put that number in my description box below. And in our next video, like she told me, she do sell men sweetener. It's not just women sweetener. Don't say, oh, I'm a man, my wife, oh, I wish I'm a woman. But this time around, don't just stress yourself. You as a man, you're going to get your sweetener. She has sweetener for men. So if you're this kind of a person, your wife doesn't enjoy you, please, you need to watch the next video so that you know how you treat your wife sweet. So see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Now if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Just make sure you share these videos. Don't be selfish as a woman. Share this video. Let every woman enjoy their matrimonial home. Bye.